Oboremi Bw'Emesi nigo agenderete konyoru gusirwa magigayo Amaonchorerio bw'ebunge nene Moses Masika WETANGULA gukora EGEIKARO ni kiumbe gya Kenya National Federation of Sugarcane Farmers kurwa chinsemo aimeyense abo bagokora Oboremi Bw'Emesi ase EGEIKARO gyoko egekare gyakorekana ase amagachi ebunge enene Nairobi niga bagwatene ao baerere buna nerubuya gochamo erigokora chinkwana na kwigwana keria kiganiri gokorekana erigotoria esekte iyo yamochirie ose mochiri gosoa engoroime na koyegorora erikoreta rigasari ya guchiase abaremi na boigo okwenyorera guchia asense ya Kenya.
I didn't hear you mention what is also choking the revamped sugar mills is reckless importation of sugar. Yes. And you, if you are the apex body, you must spiral back to the farmer. If the mill is milling and selling, the farmer will be paid. Yes. If the mill is milling and piling sugar and not selling, even the 1 week payment routine will collapse. Yes. Because he has to mill, sell his sugar, pay the farmer, pay his workers, and meet his obligations. So as you speak about registering your body, gazetting your body, also speak loudly about protecting the industry. Yes. So that we do not have some rogue traders bringing, because the reforms that have been done in the sugar industry, in the next 1 year we should be sufficient in sugar needs. We should even export sugar.
So on behalf of these farmers, we would rather be discussing over a cup of tea which you have money to buy. Yes. But we cannot discuss when you don't have money to buy. Yes. Let us protect jealously and guard the money from the sugar development levy. Yes. That issue of crops amendment bill, Honorable Speaker, I had spoken to you before. Yes. Please stop that bill. Let it not move to any destination until we are okay. Yes. We are okay the way we are. Yes. Let these farmers process the issue of SDL in the act as it is. Yes. So kindly my prayer to you, help us from your seat not to move that bill to any other level.
Yes.
Otherwise, I'm grateful. These members, we know each other. Support us, Honorable Speaker.
This Sugar Act ambayo imekuja is one of the best we've ever had. Hatujawahi kuwa na Sugar Act kama hii ambayo to us, especially at farmers with disabilities, we want it implemented. Na ikikuwa implemented, it encourage all farmers equally, especially with the levies ambazo zinafaa ziende kwa farmers kusupport sugarcane production na infrastructure. Na pia the 5% ambayo inatakana ikuja empower the community about farming sugarcane na to empower even the youth.